Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Cynthia and thank you for clicking on this video. So for today's video, I'm going to do a cornrow tutorial, and without saying much, let's get into it. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. So I'm just parting my hair, and after this I'll just part the front part of that section. After parting a tiny section at the front part, that's where you're going to start out, and you're going to section it into 3 strands. And to cornrow your hair, it's like braiding. You're going to start out like doing a braid, but this time you're doing it closer to your scalp. After passing the 3 strands of hair over each other 3 or 4 times, then you start adding hair to your cornrow.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go.
So guys, I'm just going to repeat the same process on other sections of my hair, and at this point I'll just let you all watch.
To create a song, I don't wanna miss a beat, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go. We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive, I take a hit, I love it. Can you get trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am. I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not here